What's going on, team? Happy freaking Tuesday. Okay, so for today's exercise of the week, it's a little different. I want to talk about tempo. And the reason being is whenever you're performing an exercise, you want to control the weight, not the weight control you. And a lot of the times I'll see or I'll read messages from clients saying like, oh, finish my workout in 30 minutes. And they just busted through like 8 different exercises. Or I'm coaching somebody in person and I'll have to tell them to slow it down, all right? Control the weight, control the eccentric. So what eccentric is the lengthening of the muscle, right? So say I'm doing a bicep curl, all right? Concentric is whenever that muscle is shortening. All right, eccentric is that muscle is lengthening. And actually, muscle growth is really happened on the eccentric. That can really help that muscle grow. Now, the reason why you want to control the weight is, one, controlling the rate reduces the risk of injury. I do not want anybody to get injured. All right, so controlling the weight. You don't have to go super slow. You don't have to go a snail's pace by any means, but just by slowing it down, controlling the weight, you'll get better mind-muscle connection, which then will lead to better muscle contractions and then better muscle formation, thus giving you a better toned physique, strength, and overall just better workout. So a bicep curl, a lot of the times I'll see people just cranking through them, all right? Don't do that. Slow it down. You want to control it on the way up and on the way down. All right, making sure that you have good posture so shoulders are back and you're just moving from your elbows. All right, you don't have any swinging in here. Again, nice and controlled. Everything is nice and smooth. You're not speeding through it. Demonstration for squats. Okay, so say I'm doing a speed squat. All right, I'm going. No. Slow it down. Really think about moving through that entire range of motion. All right, so slow down your exercises. Count to 2, right? 2 on the way down, 2 on the way up. All right, so that was it. So while you go into your workouts, think about this. Think about slowing them down. Now, if you have any other exercises that you want me to touch on, coach you up on, or break down, please leave them in the comments below and I'll add them to the list. Other than that, have a fantastic Tuesday. Go win.